To acidify the soil, add unused coffee grounds, peat moss, rotten leaves, and compost in the soil. These all have a pH less than 5, so they can acidify the soil in a natural way. But do not use washed or used coffee grounds because they have a pH of more than 6. Adding sulfur powder or sulfur liquid or iron sulfate in soil will make the soil acidic. The iron sulfate is fast acting, reduces pH in 3 to 4 weeks, but sulfur takes 3 to 4 months. Mix about 500 grams sulfur or iron sulfate per 10 square feet of soil. Test the soil pH and repeat the above steps if the acidity is not correct. Now let us see how to maintain soil acidity if the blueberries are already growing and established. Mix coffee grounds or peat moss in the top 3-inch soil of the plant 3 times a year. Then add a layer of compost on top, followed with a layer of mulch. Vinegar is acetic acid. It can quickly acidify the soil. Mix 15 milliliter vinegar in 2 liter water and feed your blueberries. But its effect is not permanent, so you can use it every fortnight. At the start of growing season, mix some acidic soil fertilizer such as Azalea fertilizer that contains ammonium nitrate or ammonium phosphate and sulfur coated urea to lower the pH of the soil. The cottonseed fertilizer is also good for acidifying the soil. Make 3-4 holes about 6 inch deep on the drip line of the plant and put some sulfur or iron sulfate or fertilizer in them. Now to test the pH of the soil. Take some soil in a cup, moisten it with distilled water and add some baking soda. If the mixture bubbles or fuses, then the soil is acidic. Please subscribe to my channel to watch my other videos and also hit the bell icon to get informed when I post new videos.